Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist. Cute little kitty playing on back. I'm going 4 times the speed and voicing over here. Just getting my shapes in with just a kid's school pencil crayon. They work great for making videos. They're little bit erasable, cheap to find at garage sales and thrift stores. Great for practice sketches. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat. Help build this awesome community of crazy cat artists. Just general shapes, really blocky shapes. Shapes and angles here. And we'll move on to getting more defined pretty soon here. Pop those eyes in. Little kitten eyes. I plan on making a course soon where my videos will be in real time. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Be just a really inexpensive one to start with, like maybe a $10 or $20 course. So if you're into that, let me know in the comments. Some tabby lines in there for expression and to help shape the face. And these are just really quick practice sketches, but they are so awesome for skill building. With each one, I see something I would have done a little bit different, and I carry all that knowledge on to the next one. Little murder mitts. More suggestion of tabby stripes. I kind of feel like I got the paws a little bit big. They are a little bit more back in the background than the face. So they should have maybe been a bit smaller, but you know, cats have different size paws in that too. You know, so you don't want to go picking apart every little bit of your drawing because you'll always find something wrong with it. Just use that as knowledge and embrace it how it is. Let your cats just become what they are. Some claws on those murder mitts. And whiskers. The finishing touch. But I got a few more little finishing touches here too. Some wiggle lines. Define the eyes a bit more. Let me know what you want to learn about cat art. Drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you next time.